Hello, welcome to the video. This is a 2014 Piaggio Ape Classic 400, and I don't know whether you can see anything missing, any sort of problems in this area here. Okay, so you'll obviously have seen from the title already, we have a bit of a mirror issue, don't we? I have been cleaning this up and I wanted to open the door a little bit more, and to enable me to do that, I pushed the mirror out a little bit, and then this happened. So you can no doubt tell I didn't manage to catch it before it fell on the floor and smashed the mirror glass. But there's no point in buying just the mirror glass because we've done a proper job of it, and it's actually snapped the plastic here. I think it's gone brittle in the sun, and it's just given up. So this is a video on how to fit a new side mirror, wing mirror. It's not on the wing, is it though? What bit of body is that? I haven't got a clue. Anyway, let's call it a wing mirror. And if you're not happy with that description, then by all means do put your preferred description in the comments below. I'll just zoom in a little bit so you can see what's happened in a bit more detail. So if I hold this next to it like that, there's a bit of plastic missing, which may still be on the floor or maybe in the bin, but you can see what's happened. It's just the plastic's fatigued, got weak, and it's just snapped off. So I've swept up all the mirror glass, and now it's time to fit a new one. First thing I'm going to do is remove this cover. This is a Phillips screw. That looks like a 13. It is. This is actually just a standard Allen or hex head bolt, but the plastic has been sort of melted into it, so rather than bodge it out, as this is going to have to go in the bin anyway, I think I'm going to just use some mold grips on the top. Well, that was a lot less painful than a lot of fastenings on this vehicle. Here's the new one then, a Piaggio genuine part. Part number, if you're interested, 612342. Not particularly expensive. I was pleasantly surprised actually, didn't think they were too bad. Super. I've moved on to the other side because I'm just interested in whether this is going to stick out like a sore thumb. It is a little bit darker. It's not too bad in this light. We'll have to see how it looks when we get outside. You probably know you can darken these plastics up a bit with a heat gun, but I don't want to risk smashing the mirror on the other side with the expansion and contraction of the heat. So I'm not sure if I'm going to do that or not yet. I'll see how bad it looks in the sunshine. Now I'm aiming for this to be tight enough so it doesn't move with the vibration of the engine running, but not so tight that it can't be adjusted. That feels about right like that. We'll see how we get on when I'm driving it. There you are then, folks. That's how to replace the wing mirror on a 2014 Piaggio Ape. Hope it was useful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you again for the next one. Bye for now.